In this DoorWorks video, we will be showing you how to install our track-style enclosure on an EZGO TXT. This install will require the following tools. Start by identifying the awning track bars. To install the awning tracks, place the notched end of the track at the front of the roof support and using the pre-drilled holes as guides, secure the track to the roof using the included 1/2-inch sheet metal screws. As you did with the driver and passenger side tracks, hold the track in place and secure it to the roof with the provided sheet metal screws. You can now install the side panel. Slide the panels into the tracks once the side panels are placed. You can add the rear panel tucking and securing it behind the seat. This enclosure works with all 3 cart configurations: sweater basket, rear-facing seat, and utility box. You can now secure the side covers to the court in one of 2 ways. The first method is by securing the roof support wraps to the front roof supports with the Velcro strip that runs the length of the wrap on the outside. Attach it to the roof support. The second method is by installing screw studs. The cover has pre-installed snaps that are used to attach the cover to the screw studs. Mark the spots on the support where the snap studs need to go. The number of studs needed can vary between 3 to 5 depending on your cart configuration and model year. With the holes marked, pre-drill holes using the 1/8-inch drill bit. Then, using a screwdriver, tighten the snap studs until snug. Do not use a drill, as this could cause over-tightening and stripping. Now you can snap the cover onto the front roof supports. With the snap secured, you can then attach the hooks to the underside of the cart, pulling tight to lock the cover in place. With that done, you can attach your removable valances and snap them in place. You can also swap valances for other colors or patterns. The optional WindSeal Kit is designed to fit snug above and below the windshield to stop any drafts or cold air that may get through. Using the 7/16 ratchet, remove the nuts from the 2 roof support bolts, put the front awning track over the bolts, and reattach the nuts to secure the track in place. Now slide the upper blocker in place. Apply the Velcro strips to the windshield. And secure the upper and lower blockers, preventing any airflow from above or below your windshield. This enclosure features zippered doors for entry and exit that can be rolled up and tucked into the valance when they are not needed, and features a rear panel that can open for easy access to the sweater basket, rear seat, and utility bed, or to allow airflow. This completes the installation of your DoorWorks Track Enclosure. Thanks for watching.